My loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm finally back from my sister's wedding, and since the day I'm back I'm literally sleeping for 10 hours daily. So I thought this is the best time to give myself a pampering spa session. But to be true, I've never been to a salon for a spa because I like to do it all by myself at home. Tell me if you relate too. So I thought let's take up this home spa challenge using the MCaffeine's body polishing kit. It does contain the Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub and the Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. Now all of MCaffeine's products are infused with caffeine and they are all PETA certified. The products are dermatologically tested, clinically approved, and MCaffeine is a cruelty-free brand while the products are SLS and paraben-free. So let's begin with today's home spa challenge. The very first step for the home spa is exfoliation. Now exfoliation for your body is often neglected, but it is very important as it removes the outer dead skin layer and it is great for tan removal, and it would also make your skin super soft and supple. So exfoliation for your body skin is equally important. So for that I'm using the MCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. Now this scrub is made up of pure Arabica coffee and it gently exfoliates the skin. It does come with its own wooden spoon with which you can just scoop out the product, and which makes it really easy for removal of the product. And you can just simply apply this scrub on your wet skin and gently massage it in circular motions for 1 or 2 minutes. That's so simple. That's all you need to do. And the coffee body scrub is gonna work its magic for exfoliating your skin and giving you that radiant glowy skin. Now as I said before that the coffee body scrub is great for gently exfoliating your skin, for tan removal, and also for removing the dead skin layer. And it does contain Arabica coffee powder like ingredient which exfoliates your skin and helps to reduce even cellulite. It also contains cold pressed coconut oil, which is my favorite part because it nourishes and hydrates my skin, and I totally love this product. So just gently apply this on your wet skin and rub it in circular motions for 1 or 2 minutes, and that's all I need to do in step 1 for exfoliation. I just take the scrub off and quickly take a shower and be right back. Now the second step for the home spa is a deep moisturization. Now moisturizing your skin post your scrub and exfoliation is extremely important, and for that I'm using the MCaffeine's Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. Now this butter has a very unique souffle like texture, but it just melts like butter when you apply it on your skin. And as I said that moisturizing and nourishing your skin is extremely important, especially post scrub, as it would not only just moisturize and enrich your skin but also make it baby soft and supple. Plus this Choco Body Butter from MCaffeine deeply moisturizes the skin, and it is very lightweight. It doesn't even feel like you've applied a thick moisturizer, but it deeply moisturizes the skin and it is very long lasting is what I've noticed, particularly with this Choco Body Butter. Otherwise some body butters, just moisturize your skin for some while and later on your skin again starts to feel the need of more moisturizer. Especially dry skin types like mine can relate to what I'm speaking, and that is the reason why I would highly recommend you all to try this one out. I really love the chocolatey aroma of this Choco Body Butter. It just smells heavenly. Plus it is very lightweight and would not at all feel sticky on the skin, and it does contain ingredients like caramel, cocoa butter, which is great for giving you that glowy skin and deep skin moisturization. It also has argan oil, which is rich in antioxidants and would nourish your skin. And lastly, it also has vitamin E, which nourishes the skin, making it soft and supple. I absolutely love this Choco Body Butter. This one is a must buy. I truly enjoyed this at-home spa session using the M Caffeine's body polishing kit, and this is a must buy. I would highly recommend you all to try it for once, and you're gonna fall in love with this body polishing kit. You can find the buying links for these products in the description box. And with that being said, I wrap up for today's video. I would meet you all soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.